Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this post on Canva. So search element gradient shape, and I'm just going to find like this one maybe, and I'm just going to flip it around like this. Can I even change the color of this one? No, I can't. Okay, I've got to find something else because I need to be able to change the color. What about this one? I mean, I can, but I can't change specific colors, but I guess this will have to do for now. I'll just use these colors here. I'm just going to rotate that, and I'm just going to make it really big. Okay, not that big. Maybe like this much. Oh, what? Now it's a square? What's going on? Oh, I know what went wrong. Okay, that went wrong. Okay, we're just going to place it like this. Then I'm just going to add in a circle. And I'm just going to make another kind of gradient with it. I think I'm just going to color this like reddish and pinkish. Like this maybe. It's gonna make it a little bit bigger so it fits this part. Okay. Then I'm just going to find like a product here. I'll just do an ice cream. In photos. Let's do this. I know the colors aren't really matching right now, but you can kind of adjust it here. I'll just take it from the ice cream, like the colors, and here as well, just do that too. And then you can just type like strawberry ice cream or something like that. Let's do strawberry cheesecake. I know it doesn't have like any cheesecake element to the picture, but I love the strawberry cheesecake ice cream. That could go in for right now, but I don't want to gain weight, you know? Anyways, that's not important. Let's put it here, and then I'll just put strawberry cheesecake here. Change the font to something else, maybe this. Color it like the same. Maybe add some outlines. Just play around with it, honestly. Like that. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.